Assalamualaikum. Uh, Hi guys, this is Numan, and after a period of 2 to 3 months, I'm making a video. So, this is a card. This is a very common issue, so I thought that I should have made a video on this. This is a display. This is the advanced fitness treadmills. These are the advanced fitness treadmills, and these are the pins, 7 pins and 5 pins. A very common card. Many of the companies, many of the brand, they release their treadmills with this card because these are cards are very reliable and they are easy to repair and they are easy to trace. So, and the main thing is there is no communication, so you can attach any 7 and 5 pin card with any other brand, no issues. So this is the flexibility of this one. So today I've been here with the main issue that comes in this card is error 6 or error 7. Sometimes it shows the error 6, sometimes it shows error 7. Now, looking into the matter, what happens if you see here the error 6 and error 7 belong to the incline. If incline is not operational, you will receive the error 7, and if the incline is operational but it is not giving you the correct values from this variable, this means that it will show you the error 6 because of wrong values, because this is a sensor which gives you the position of the incline, the lower position and the upper position. Now, what I've found in this card is a very silly mistake. Normally people don't care about it. They when I check this, there is basically, if you talk about the lower circuit, there is nothing to trace on the incline sections. These are the resistance which never go faulty, the SCR, the MOX, they are very reliable, they don't go away. So what happens, these three pins give you the value here, and if you talk about this jack, this green, pink and white will take the values to the display, and all the processing of the uh, inclined position is done here. If you are facing error 6, error 7, first you have to power up the incline, and after that you will put there the meter on white and black and white and red, and check that as your incline is moving, the values in the ohms are changing or not. If it is constant, this means that the incline is faulty, but it is changing, this means that it is okay. Normally in maximum of the inclines, the value of the maximum value of the resistance is 10 kilo ohms. So this is the way you check the incline. If it is okay, then you are receiving the error 6, error 7. You will just come down to the display here, and you can see here we are getting the values on green, pink and white. Now what will you do? You will check out these all instances, these ICs, and if the it is okay. In my case, everything on the card was okay. I check out the whole card. The whole card was giving the accurate and fixed values. Then there comes a mistake where normally people having low experience will not go, because they think that that things will not go faulty like that. What I have done, after that I just checked the cable. The cable which was bringing the value of incline to the display. Now this is a change cable. I have checked the continuity. So the cable was faulty on this end where we are getting this green. So the cable was faulty. Since the cable was faulty, no values are coming to the upper display. Since no values are coming to the upper display, so it will go to the error. So this is how we just cleared our problem, and now the system is working great. Now I can show you by testing it, and first of all I will give the power. I am giving my display to the colleague. Now what will we do? For testing purpose, if you don't have a motor, you can just place a bulb here, a filament bulb. So guys, we have connected all the things, all the sensors. I am giving the power. You see, it is on. Now this is just moving to its initial value, and it haven't showed any kind of error here. So right now I am going to start it. I will give the pulses manually and see what happens. Okay, start. See, the bulb is blown, which means okay. Please incline up. You will press the incline up. Incline will go up without showing any error. Again press incline up. Incline will go up without showing any error. Incline down. Now it is coming down without any. Again down. So this way we have just solved our problem. I hope you like the video, and for my future videos, keep liking my page and subscribe it. And if you have any issue regarding the repairing of treadmill or any other equipment, you can just contact me. Thank you.